Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, welcome. So what I'm currently about to do on my beautiful client, I am about to do a silk press, and as you guys know, we are in the silk press season. This is the time I get the most requests for my silk press services. And today, what I decided to do in this video is more of a unique thing. Of course, as I show you guys me doing my signature silk press on my client, I wanted to just dive in and speak about how to market yourself to build a clientele and to also to market yourself in a professional way as a professional stylist. So in this video, that's what I'm going to be speaking about, and that's what I will be talking about to you guys. So if this is your first time watching one of my videos, then please stay to the end. And if you do like content like this, I will keep it coming. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay in contact. And also check out more videos because these are educational videos, and also they're very interesting and beautiful to see the transition of the hair. So let's get into today's video. Roll the intro. All right, so before I go into the marketing and branding, I want to talk about what I currently just got finished doing. So I did shampoo my client hair, and also I placed her under the dryer to deep condition. I did leave her under there for 20 minutes. Deep conditioning the hair is very important right before you're about to do a silk press because you will be putting heat to the hair. Now, this is the thickening spray. I utilize this spray to just give more fuller, thicker look to the hair. I do love this spray. Of course, with my client, her hair is not thin or anything like that, but I like to utilize it when I feel like I have like medium to fine hair because it helps with like the flyaways. Also, it thickens the hair and it gives it more bounce and life. That I believe. So I love using that. That's also by Paul Mitchell. Yeah, so all products will be left in the description down below, you guys. So that's what I'm currently doing. All right, you guys, so let's get into it. So marketing and branding yourself is so very important as a stylist. And also in this field of doing hair, it's so big, it's so broad. So you kind of got to narrow yourself down and ask yourself, what do you want to be known for, and what type of audience do you want to attract? So once you have figured those two things out, then you go to social media. It's important to kind of have the foundation and just start building on that. So the first social media platform I want to expand up on is Instagram. So when I think about Instagram, I automatically think about a magazine, and I automatically think about commercials. And let me go more into details. So when it comes to doing your reels and it comes to the stories of Instagram, that gives me more of a commercial vibe. So you want to think about the beginning, middle, and end of your commercial and how you want that to be cohesive and how you want to sell that to the public and to the market. And then when you think about your pictures, you want to be intentional when it comes to your pictures. What do you want your pictures to sell? What is the most important thing when it comes to this picture? So if you, for example, are doing color, then maybe you want to do a picture of a before and after, showing their color before and then showing the radiant and the vibrance of the color after. Or for me, if I'm doing a silk press, I focus on the shine, the moisture, the hydration, and the overall gloss and silky of the silk press. So when I take a picture, that's what I want to focus on. And in the description, you go more into detail of what this picture is trying to sell. Now, so if you are building your platform on Instagram, I highly suggest, because this is where I made the mistake. I didn't utilize Reels for a very long time. I had the belief of if I just post a picture, then it would reach audience and people would see, and my channel, I said my channel, I'm sorry, my Instagram will grow that way. And sadly, that is not the way to go. Reels, reels, reels. Reels is how you build your audience and also the story as well. Like your story helps you build, but if you want to take your brand and you want to build the maximum way you can, then you must do reels. All right, so remember, you guys, that I said reels is like commercials because it really is. So you want to be intentional on your reels. You don't want to just throw something out there like, hey, I do hair. Like, no, you want to be intentional because you want to connect to the right audience member. Remember, you are speaking to Instagram audience. So you want to be very intentional. So I will highly suggest when it comes to your reels, you want to keep them under 20 seconds. I wouldn't go past 20 seconds to make your point. You want to also make sure you have a beginning, middle, and end. And also in the description part, you can go more into detail. So with your reels, make sure you keep them under 20 minutes. Make sure you keep them very intentional and make sure you have a beginning, middle, and end. Okay, so when it comes to your Instagram followers and also your growth, so you don't want to look to your left and your right and be like, oh my God, all these people have all these followers. How can I get those type of followers? Because some people actually pay for followers. I don't suggest that because in the long run, that is not going to work out for you. You want to take your time and let your Instagram grow naturally and let them connect to the audience that really want to see your content, the audience that really want to get their hair done by you, because it's no point of buying followers just to have a high string, a number of followers, but nobody is actually investing in you. You want people that want to invest in you, whether it's buy your products, whether it's get their hair done by you, whether it's leave comments under your video or your picture or share your content. Like, you want people that is invested in you for the long haul and not just to reach a number to just feed your ego. Like, you always have to get your ego in check when you're doing this because you instantly can fall into the wrong way to build because you feel lost.
10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I want that it impact that we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, go to waste. I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you.
Okay, so the next social media platform I want to speak about is YouTube, where we at right now. So YouTube, how I consider that is more like a movie or a TV show. So when you are doing YouTube, keep that in mind. Something that you will still play in YouTube like you did in Instagram is your before, your middle, and your end, because as movies and TV shows, they walk you through the journey. They give you more information and it gives you more appeal. Now, when you are editing your YouTube videos, the more you do it, the better you will become. So don't hold too much weight on the first time editing a video, because I did that, which kept me from not posting, and also it made me more scared about posting, and it made me feel like I didn't know what I was doing. But I had to have the conversation with myself and say, truly, Ashley, you don't know what you're doing until you do it, and by doing it, you will get better every single time. And actually challenge yourself every time you edit a video, every time you do another video. Try to get better, try to get better content, try to record better, listen to your audience. Your audience will have patience with you, your audience will give you their suggestion, and just have an open heart to listen to what they say. You know, respond back in the comments to let people know that them taking out the time to even leave you a comment, even leave your heart, doing anything just to show connection and to show appreciation, you want to reciprocate that back to them. So in the description down below from the video, this is your friend. Also in that area, that's when you could put the link of your booking information. That's when you could put your other social media platforms. Also, you could put products that you utilize on your clients so they know what products you use. You could put the links of the products. You could put any other contact information that would get back to you so it can like promote your business. Utilize the description down there. Also, hashtags are great. Put hashtags in the description. I put hashtags a location where I'm at. I'm located in Houston, Texas. This narrows down the audience, and it also helps the audience know where are you located, can they come, things like that. Immediately on my social media platform with YouTube, I received a good amount of people that came to get their hair done by me, but it was for me also constantly utilizing the hashtags. So it was easy for social media, also known as YouTube, to market me.
Capping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo.
Okay, so let's talk about TikTok. Now with TikTok, I really haven't mastered this one because I haven't been on there for long. So I haven't really went into depth when it comes to this platform. But TikTok is also another platform you can market yourself on. I believe TikTok is usually for maybe the younger generation, which will be, I say, maybe 25 or under. They usually utilize TikTok. And then, of course, you could get people that's a little bit older. But if you want to get kids that's in high school and kids that's in college, I think TikTok is a great platform to capture their eyes. So it's kind of similar to Instagram. I would still consider it like a short commercial. They don't really do too much like pictures. They just really do things similar to your like your reels and your stories on Instagram. It will be kind of the similar thing when it comes to TikTok, because TikToks do just little videos, and then of course you can do a video in your story. So what I always do is whatever I put on Instagram, I also put that on TikTok. Now this is what I don't do, which I do see a lot of content creators doing this. I don't know if it works in their favor, but I actually decided to opt out of doing this, and that is telling people to follow me on every single platform. I usually like to keep the audience where they met me at. So if you found me on YouTube, even though I do put in the description, you know, my other platforms, or I might put in the description where you can book your appointments with me. That's more of what I like to put in the description, but I don't like to put in every single video, hey, please follow me over here, please follow me over there. Like, no, I like people to stay where they met me. Now, if they decide to follow me on other platforms, then absolutely you can, but I don't want my audience to get tired of me because they feel like the content is redundant. So therefore I let them stay where they are, and then of course if they want to follow me, then kudos. So the last social media platform I market on is Facebook. Now, Facebook, I strictly just submit my reels, and the same reels that I used for my TikTok and for my Instagram is the reels that I also use on my Facebook. Now, Facebook also have where you can market yourself in like the Facebook groups. So you can go into different hair groups and you can market yourself there. When I initially started doing hair, I used to constantly market myself on the Facebook groups, and they work, you guys. I know it's like very saturated and it seems overwhelming, but them Facebook groups hit. So you want to make sure you market yourself in the Facebook groups. Also, you want to make sure you always do reels. Any social media platform that has reels, promote, 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 because that is how you build your name, that is how you create an audience, and that is how you get friendly followers. So you need to make sure you always pay attention to the reels. So when I was on Facebook, that's what I do. I always market myself on the reels. I don't really go into the groups anymore because I market myself so heavy on so many other platforms that I don't need to. But when you start there, market yourself there. I promise you, it will work in your favor. All right, you guys, so we're coming to the end of today's video. I want to thank you so much for watching my videos. And if you are marketing yourself on social media, then leave down below which social media platform are you having difficulties with. If you're not having any issues with any of them, please leave down below what social media platforms you learn more information from this video, and also which social media platform are you utilizing today. So thank you so much. Remember to drink your water for healthy hair, skin, and nails, and I'll talk to you guys next Monday. Bye bye.